Here's how to remove a Bluetooth device on iPhone. You have two options here. It's disconnecting from it or it's actually forgetting it or removing it. So it depends on kind of what you're trying to do. We go to settings, of course, and then inside of settings, we're going to see Bluetooth. So we tap on Bluetooth, we make sure Bluetooth's on, we're maybe currently connected or maybe we're not currently connected. Either way, we're going to look at my devices, and inside of here, on any device you want to disconnect or remove, you click on that little eye icon and you have those two options. Disconnecting means it will keep it in my devices, but we're going to disconnect from it right now, and it won't automatically pair to that again, but if we tap on it, it'll work. Forgetting the device removes it completely from my devices, and it will act like a new device. So I will have to reconnect to it in the pairing mode of that device later. So if you want to forget it, it'll pop open again and you can forget and remove it or cancel. If you want to disconnect, it'll pretty much just disconnect right away. And now you can see that this one right here is now not connected. Now, any Bluetooth device that's not connected can also still be forgotten or removed. So we can click on that same button, forget this device. You can see this mouse here. I can do the same thing. Click on it and click forget this device. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and remove this Bluetooth device. And now it disappears from there, and it won't even show up in other devices unless it's in the pairing mode. But it's going to act like a device that's not connected to the phone anymore because it's not. You removed it. So that's how you can disconnect, forget, or remove a Bluetooth device on iPhone.